Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into your Bitfinex wallet. If you're trying to log in and access your Bitfinex wallet account, then here's how you can do it. First, make sure that you've downloaded your Bitfinex wallet app. If you're using a mobile device, go and tap open your App Store or your Play Store and download this application that says Bitfinex Trade Digital Assets. Tap the Get button or the Download button and then wait for the app to be downloaded on your preferred mobile device. After the app is downloaded, tap Open Bitfinex application. Now, after you open it up, you'll be able to see the login button and the sign up button at the very top of the main home screen. If you don't have a wallet yet for Bitfinex, tap the sign up button and follow the sign up process. If you already have an account, tap Login at the top left and enter your email address followed by your password, or select the API key option and scan the QR code to gain access to your account. In my case, I'm gonna use the email option. Type in your email address or your username associated with your Bitfinex account. After you are done, head over to the password field and type in your correct password. After filling in both of the information, tap on Login. But if you're having trouble remembering your password, tap the Forgot Password button and follow through the password reset process. If you have both of the credentials correct, you can tap Login. Now, it'll ask you for your Google Authenticator 2FA token. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your Bitfinex wallet. Pretty easy, isn't it? That is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to our channel yet, press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these tutorials again. Thanks for watching.